Taking that right headlamp out will include a 3-step process that includes removing this top cover, this fabric plastic cover here. And to get that done, you have to remove all of the clips associated with the cover. Once you're done with that, we remove the grill. The grill should have 4 bolts, 2 on each side, that hold the grill in place, and then it snaps in place along the base of the grill. So you just pull that out. The 3rd step will be removing the headlamp. There should be 2 screws, one here and one here. And then ultimately you have to get behind the wheel and get to this access cover right here. Pull this access cover out, and up in this access cover area should be a little slot you pull down or push up. I think pushing up unlocks it, pulling it down locks it, and it opens up the little clip that's back there to pull the headlamp out. So it's going to be a process. Let's see how it goes. All right, the last step to getting the headlamp out is to open this access door, which is behind your headlamp, which is right there, and in front of your front tire right here. Grab your trim removal tool and simply pop off this one little grommet right here, or this one little clip. All right, after 10 minutes of messing around with it, there's the headlamp that's out. There are the bulbs and the sockets that I've screwed out to get the headlamp out of the way. And this is the white clamp that you have to grab from the back side through that hole. Now this clamp moves up and down. Up is unlocked, down is locked, as you can see. It has that little castle looking slot. Up, and you can pull this little ball joint out of that hole. Down, don't break it, and that locks the ball joint in place so the back of the headlamp won't come out of the socket or won't come out of its pocket here. That's how you get it out. This is buried deep behind this pocket, so when you're reaching in from that side where your tire is, you got to just feel for this little lip, push up or pull down.